Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick water effect. But this is something I did when I was trying to do a dungeon platformer. And it was kind of like in the drainage, so I thought it'd be cool adding a water effect. And this is when I was trying to learn how to, have animated frames in Game Engine. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you how I did it. So as you can see, I already have my water and my drainage. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and create the little highlights. And I am basically just arching it. So I'm going to go down 2 pixels. Again, just follow my arch. Then I'm going to take my mid color, 2 pixels. And for this, I'm going to go 1 pixel. And same thing. And there you go. I got that is my first frame. We're going to go ahead and add second frame. I had already copied my water. I'm just gonna paste it, put it back, and then all I'm doing, following my motion, I'm gonna hit play here so I can show what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna go down 1 pixel. Again, 2 pixels down. Grab my mid color. And just follow the flow. There you go. We're going to go ahead and add another frame. Paste my base water. And then again, just follow the same workflow. Grab my highlights. And we're down at the 3rd pixel. 1, 2, 3. Right here. No, right here. Yeah. Got confused for a second. And 2 pixels down. Go. Hit my midtones again. Again, 2 pixels down. Oh, messed up. As you can see how cool smooth it's going. Now it's going to look a lot better when we add that 4th frame. Again, put my base water back in here. And then again, just 1 pixel. Now what's cool about the 4th frame is that this is where it kind of repeats. So we're going to add this pixel, and we're going to go down here. Again, just curving it. Pixels in, and then for my highlight or shadow, midtone, whatever you want to call it. And there you go, a quick, simple water tutorial. Now you can add more frames and add various shades or colors. But this is how I did the water effect. Now I think I'm going to show you how I did the little splash. I did have a little splash here, probably in the next video. Anyways, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.